We are now going to talk about the nature trail of Konnos and Cyclops Cave. This nature trail starts from the beach of Konnos and following a round path of 2.4 kilometers long, it ends in the cave of Cyclops. It is located in the area of Cabo Greco in the city of Famagusta. While walking through this breathtaking trail on the edge of the mountain, you can enjoy the view of Cabo Greco Peninsula and the church of Senanarieri. It is an easy-to-walk trail, and it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to finish it. This nature trail, together with the trail of Senanarieri and Konnos, has about 400 species of plants. It is also characterized by the sclerophyllous vegetation, which comes from the Greek word meaning heart leaves, and from the large number of Phoenician juniper, known as Juniperus phoenicia. There are many endemic species of cypress in this area, such as Anthemis tricoloa and Titium micropotioides. Here you can see the Mediterranean cypress, Shrubby sea blight, the thorny saltwood, the bogstone, the common thatching cress, the great hedge nettle, the wattle, the sea squirrel, the spiny burnet, the camber, the eucalypt, the olive tree, and the thyme. In the summertime, where the temperature is very high, it is very common to come across some species of reptiles, such as lizards or snakes. The mammals of the area are hard to be seen, but sometimes you can come across a rabbit, Lepus europaeus, or a fox, Vulpes vulpes. At the end of the walking trip is the cave of Cyclops, which is a mythical one-eyed gigantic creature. However, the cave is small, and you have to bend in order to get inside. Here you can enjoy the inside of the cave of Cyclops.